Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about one of my favorite beauty indie brands, and that is Sydney Grace. And she used to be Feather River Body, which is when I first ordered on Etsy, and now she has her own website and she rebranded to Sydney Grace. Her eyeshadows are very affordable and really great quality. I think some of these indie brands, including Sydney Grace, has better quality than some of the higher end brands that are sold in Sephora, like Too Faced, Tart. The mattes are very blendable and pigmented, while the metallics are very beautiful and opaque. She also has some cream shadows that I hope to try one day that look absolutely amazing, and she sells loose and pressed highlighters as well. She also has some dupes of some really popular eyeshadow palettes, such as the Natasha Denona Tropic palette, the ABH Subculture, which I have some of those dupe shadows, and they're really great. So if you like to support smaller brands, I cannot recommend Sydney Grace enough. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.